Here is how I created this luxury car commercial step by step. I'm going to hold your hand and teach you how I created this luxury commercial step by step with free AI tools. Yes, with free AI tools. If you are seeing me for the first time, I'm Miss Toyin, and on this channel, I teach you how to use free AI tools or how to use AI tools in general to create AI videos, to create videos. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I want you to subscribe to this family and like this video. Now let's get straight to the video. Now the step one is to get your prompt. I got this prompt for my upcoming prompt to professional ebook guide that will be coming up very soon. It's not out yet, but will be coming up very soon. If you are interested in getting something like this for yourself as a video creative, for an AI video creative, there's a link to the waitlist group. I want you to join this link and anticipate for the upcoming ebook guide. Now let's get to the show of the day. The first thing is for us to get our prompt. Now for this, I'm going to go over to my notepad where the prompts are being held at the moment. And there are three different types of prompts for car advertisement prompts. Like this car advertisement prompt has three different types of prompts. You can choose any one depending on the style you want, depending on the vibe you want. But I'm choosing number one. So I copy the first prompt, take it over to ChatGPT and paste it. Okay. Now, if you read the prompt, it says create a 60-second Hollywood style luxury automotive commercial featuring dash. Now, you paste the name of the car. Now, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT again to ask the question about car because I do not know anything about cars. So, I am going to send it. I send it, then I go over to ChatGPT, tap on chat, and I will just ask, give me a luxury car name from Porsche brand, and I'm going to send it. Now this is the reply it gave me, and if you look down, it said for a Hollywood style luxury car commercial, Porsche 911 Turbo S. So I'm going to just copy it. I'll copy it, then go over to the part where I was creating my script. Then I head over to my script again. Then I go to the part that says paste the name of the car. I'm going to delete that particular side. That part that say paste the name of the car, delete it and put the name of the car. It means put the name of the car in that particular area. Then head over to the book, but mine will be the notepad because it's still in the notepad. Head over there and you follow the instruction. Now the first instruction said paste the prompt into ChatGPT. That is done. Now copy and paste this under. That one you copy it, copy that part. Now go over to your prompt where you put it on ChatGPT. Just paste this under and you send. Now ChatGPT will keep giving you different things. Now let's look at what ChatGPT is giving us. You can see was 911 Turbo S, 60 second and 60-second luxury commercial. We keep scrolling. So I'm just going to remove this. This is not necessary. This is not part of it. Now you keep scrolling and scrolling till it is done. Let's look at how many scenes we have there. We have scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 scenes, and you can see each scenes carry image prompt and motion prompt to bring that image to life. And also the scenes also have voiceover. If you want to put voiceover, you can put it, but it's optional. If you want to put it, no problem. Now let's start. Now we'll start with scene 1. We copy our image prompts and take it to any image generator tool and generate these images. Now for this, I will be using Whisk, or you can call it Flow AI. Now head over to your browser, Chrome, Safari, Google, anyone. Now I'm just going to type Whisk. If you want to use Google Flow, it's still the same thing. Now this is it. I'll just tap on it and yes, I'll start creating. Now I tap on new project and it takes me to this particular area. Yes. Now if you look at this particular place here, you can see if you want to change it to image, it is nano banana. and I will change it to 916 because I want it standing upright, like vertically. Now I'm going to put 1 times because I just want the videos, like the image to be created once. Now I'm going to paste it. I'll change it to image and I paste it and send. So we'll not waste too much time. I go over to my script and copy scene 2. Oh, sorry, mistake. I copy scene 2 image prompt. I copy, I go over again, I paste and send, paste and send. Go over to my script again. I keep doing it because there's no time to waste time. Now scene 3, copy my image prompt, copy, go over there, paste and send, send it. I go over to scene 4 again. I copy the image prompts. I copy the image prompts, copy, go over there, paste my image prompts, go over to scene 5. I copy it. I guess we're going to stop in scene 5 because I don't want this video to be too long. We can't do to 9. We can't do to scene 9. So let's just stop in scene 5. So I'm just going to paste my scene 5 image prompt. Sorry. I'm going to paste the scene 5 image prompts. Then after pasting, send it. All our images are loading. So I'm just going to wait for every one of them to finish loading before we continue. See how fine our images are looking. They are looking fine, very, very beautiful. And this is how the Porsche looks like. So now we are going to animate each of these images to turn them to video. Like we are going to turn these images to video. Now we go over to our script and go to scene 1, starting from the first one. This is scene 2. We go to scene 1 and copy the motion prompt for scene 1. Then head over back there. Now this is scene 1. I'm going to long press, like to put my hand on it and tap on animate, and tap on animate. Then it will do it like this, like it will bring it out like this, and I paste the prompt. Now before I paste the prompt, I want to show you guys something. Now if you look down here, you are going to see video 8 seconds. Now if you tap on it, you are going to see a lot of options. The options it brought out. Now if I want to generate image, this is what I'm going to tap on. If I want to generate video, this is what I'm going to tap on. Okay, now if you let me show you something. If you tap on it now, this side there means the amount of second you want it to create in. There's 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now if you tap on 4 second, you can see it's 7 credits if you take, and Flow gives 50 credits per day. If you tap on your email side here, my own is remaining 14 because I have created videos prior to this. Before I started this, I have created videos already. So it is 14 credits that is remaining for me, and I mostly use 8 second, and 8 second takes about 12. So that means it's just one video I can be able to create with 14 credits. What I'm going to do is to copy the rest of the images and take it over to another email. If you notice, I have a lot of emails. I take it over to another email and put the what do you call it, I put the image, upload the images there, and I deal with it. Now if you see 4 second have, it will take 7 credits, 6 second it will take 10 credits, 8 second it will take 12. Let me show you. 8 second it will take 12, and 10 seconds takes about 15, but I don't have up to 15. That is why it will show something now. If I tap on 10 second, I do not have up to 15 credits, and because I don't have up to 15 credits, it will show this orange icon here. That orange icon means you have exhausted the credit for the day. You have exhausted your credit for the day. But I'm going to use 8 second, and I'm going to send it. I will send this particular one. So the remaining ones, I'm just going to download these images and take it to another email. And like when I take it to another email, I'm going to upload it there and make use and animate these images. I hope it makes sense. So let's wait for the the video to finish downloading. But before that, let me start downloading the images I will be using. I'll download the image one after the other. Tap on download, download this one. I'll finish downloading everything, and I'll wait for the video. So I download it, and we can now move to another email to finish what we started. It has finished downloading now. Our video has finished downloading, so I'm going to tap on it to see what we did. This is the video it's created. I'm very sure you can't hear it, but I'm just going to download it. I will long press and I tap on download to download the video to my gallery. Now I'm going to log out of this email and log into another email. I sign out of this email. I can see now, let me sign it to another email. I then choose the email address I'm going to go for. I'll go with this particular email address. You can see I have a lot of email addresses there. That's why I said if you want to be consistent in creating videos, you need a lot of email address. Tap on new projects. Tap on new project. And I will tap on this plus button here and upload all the images of the cars that we want to make use of. Now we are going to be this and this is what we need, so I just upload them. So we wait till they finish uploading into this particular area. We have gotten our images. Next thing is for us to go over to ChatGPT. We go over to ChatGPT, the exact place we created our script. Now we did just scene 1, we go for scene 2. I go to scene 2, copy the motion prompts for scene 2. Then I go over to whisk again, and this is our scene 2. I long press. Yes, this is the scene 2. I want to be sure. Yes, this is it. Now I long press and tap on animate. After tapping on animate, then I paste the prompt. I paste the prompt and then send it. Now go over to scene 3. Go and copy the prompt. Copy the prompt for scene 3. Copy. Then I move over. This is scene 3. I long press means to like press your hand on it. Then tap on animate and paste my prompt. Paste the prompt. Then I send it. Send. Then go over again to ChatGPT to scene 4. Copy scene 4. Copy. Go over to our images. Then you long press on the image, tap on animate and paste the motion prompt and send it again. Now for the last one, we go over to ChatGPT again to scene 5, which is where we stopped because I do not want this video to be long. I copy the prompt, copy it, go over again now to the image. I long press and then animate and paste it. Then send. And we are going to wait for our images. As you can see, one of the image, one of the video, one of the image has already turned into video, that one. So I'm just going to download it. I don't want to start watching and watching all over again. I'm just going to download it, and we are going to wait till every single one of our video is complete. Now we are going to wait for every single one of our videos to finish creating. Like we are going to, yes, when we are done, now I'm going to make sure to download every single video. Make sure to download every single video. You can long press. Long press is like to put your hand on it without removing, then tap on download. Then after that, we are going to join all these videos together, and for this we are going to need an editing software, an editing tool. And for my own editing tool, I will be using CapCut. So you go over to CapCut, go over, tap on new image, new video, sorry. Then you include all the videos from every single scene accordingly. Now I made a mistake. This is a mistake, so I'm going to start. This is the first, this second, this third, this and this, and I'm going to add the 5 videos. Now let me play it so you are going to see how it is. Remember, our script gave us voiceover. Our script gave us voiceover. If you are someone that wants to create it like a storytelling about the car and things like that, you can create a voiceover and put the voiceover to match every single scene. Every single scene has its own voiceover. You can create the voiceover and put the voiceover to match every single scene. If you are someone that wants to do voiceover, no problem, you can do the voiceover. If you are someone like me, this is just a tutorial. I do not want to make this so long, but this is what I am going to do. So next thing I'm going to do after I confirm I love this video, I'm going to add transition effects. So I'm going to tap on this middle part and look for effect I feel like I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to do this. This is too fast. I'm going to increase it a little. um yeah, this is fine, and I tap to apply to all clips, and this is what it looks like. This is it. So I like it, and I'm just going to export anyways. And this is how to create a car commercial for yourself, like for your brand. Either you want to work with brands or creators or something, this is how to create a car UGC advertisements, like commercial kind of vibe. You understand? Yes. So yes, of course, subscribe to this channel and like this video if you actually learned one or two from this video, and let me know in the comment section if you tried it out. And when posting your video, make sure you tag me so I can see your work, and yeah, give you thumbs up. And if you feel, oh, you are lost or something, you can definitely, comment or reach out to me on TikTok. Yes, follow my TikTok page. I'll be putting the link in the description. Follow the TikTok page, follow my TikTok page, so you are going to see any kind of little tutorials I drop on there if you are finding me on YouTube. So thank you very, very much. We will see again in another video. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.